Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Today, I'm going to present and explain to you what is technical writing. We all know that the technology became a part na ng ating everyday lives. Before pa tayo magkaroon ng technology, ang technical writing is all done by hand. Ibig sabihin, yung mga reports, yung mga documents is through handwritten, sinusulat. People use pen and papers to create manuals. Dati, kailangan pang minimaintain yung neatness and dapat organize yung pagkasulat para madaling mabasa yung mga information na nais nating i-convey or doon mismo nakapaloob doon sa report. But the problem is, mabagal po yung mano-mano pagsusulat. Kapag mali ka, uulit ka na naman. Unlike po sa ngayon, dahil modernized na tayo, is naging madali na ang lahat because of the rapid evolvement of technology. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na di nagagamit yung manual writing today. Of course, ginagamit yan. Pero mas madalas na ginagamit today is yung pagtatype na ng documents rather than manual. But then, kahit gaano man tayo ka-modernize ngayon or ka-advance sa technology, hindi pa rin natin dapat na pag-iwanan yung mga traditional forms ng meron tayo. But anyway, let us proceed and define what is technical writing. Technical writing is a fundamental skill for virtually anyone working in science. So in science, yung mga reported through the discovered or experiments. Sa engineering naman is like making a blueprint document para sa mga construction ng isang building. Then sa medicine, yung mga medical reports. Sa business is yung mga proposals regarding sa mga products or yung specific products ng isang company. Then sa aeronautics is, example niya is yung mga aircraft repair and yung procedures. In law naman, can be the legal documents or for instance, yung writing a legal memo about sa court case and the technology and others. So, si technical writing, ginagamit siya para mag-create ng documents which is naglalaman ng complex information presented in a way na kayang intindihin ng intended readers. Okay, si technical writing is ginagamit siya para mag-create ng documents na naglalaman ng complex information presented in a way na kayang intindihin ng intended readers. Karaniwan itong ginagamit sa professional activities like the research, development, new finance, manufacturing, and host of commercial services. Nakaka-rely or it is rely on precisely with written documents. Yun, sabi ko yung complex information for many purposes. That is according to Filkenstein 2010. So, lahat ng na-mention kong documents is without the technical writing, hindi tayo makakapag-produce ng documents. Technical writing is defined in various authors. Okay, first we have the technical writing is an exposition about various scientific and technical subjects characterized by certain formal elements, scientific and technical vocabulary by Mills and Walter, 1980. Diyan sa kay Mills and Walter, ang point lang naman dyan is it uses professional and scientific language to para i-ensure yung clarity and precision ng report. Ang technical writing here is the exposition of scientific and technical subjects, which is scientific vocabulary ang focus. So, in that definition, is nagpapakita siya na hindi maaaring maging casual yung tono ng technical writing dahil may mga formal na elements itong sinusunod. Number 2. Technical writing is giving an account or description of an aspect of business, science, technology, trade, industry, government, and other professions learned by experience, observations, study, or investigation. So, Vicente et al., according sa kanya, ang Technical writing is nagpo-provide siya ng description na based sa accurate observation or based mismo doon sa actual data or observation, or it can be the experiments. For instance, yung pagsusulat ng market analysis, kailangan is nakukuha mo yung information mula sa survey results o sa interviews at hindi lang mismo sa opinion mo lang. This ensures na ang document is may basehan at hindi siya gawa-gawa lang. Okay? So, yan. Yung focus niya is it rely only to the observation and experiences. Yan yung definition niya kay Vicente et al. 2004. Okay. It involves three elements. First, we have it contains subject matter that is specialized and that belongs to technology, business, science, industry, trade, government, and other professions. Ibig sabihin, it requires a technical understanding to a unique or a specific field. Like dahil sa specialized nature, for instance, ang isang report tungkol sa battery efficiency of electric vehicles is exactly for engineers, right? And then habang ang feasibility study naman is para naman sa investors. So dapat yung documents or report na gagawin mo is aligned doon sa profession nung intended readers mo. Okay, the second one is it involves investigation, observation, study, analysis, experimentation, measurement to be able to collect accurate and precise data or information about the subject matter or problem. Meaning to say, kapag wala kang data or research bilang foundation or basehan, hindi siya magiging reliable yung documents mo. For example, sa pagsulat ng business proposal, ang mga projected earnings is dapat based sa past performance metrics para magmukhang credible. So, in short, dito sa pangalawa is it uses well-researched and factual data to establish reliability and authority doon sa report mo mismo. Letter C utilizes exposition in the presentation and organization of the information or data gathered to make the report meaningful and clear to the intended audience. So, dapat yung presentation of data mo is clear. Yun. In a way na madaling maintindihan ng intended readers. Kapag magulo kasi yung structure ng document mo, nawawala yung layunin nito or yung objective niya. Kaya, mahalaga na maayos yung pagkaka-organize and gumagamit ng visuals tulad ng graphs or charts para mas madaling ma-absorb yung data. In short, yun yung it organized and structured presentations improve understanding. Okay, next, author. Number 3, technical writing conveys a specific information about a technical subject to a specific audience for a specific purpose. The words and graphics of technical writing are meant to be practical, that is to communicate a body of factual information that will help an audience understand a subject or carry out a task. That is according to Michael H. Markle. According sa kanya, ang core ng technical writing is nagbibigay siya ng practical knowledge. For instance, ang isang instructional manual is dapat step by step para siguradong magawa ng user yung task na maayos. So, if masyadong confusing yung instructions, pwede siyang magkamali. In short, po-provide siya ng clear and actionable information para mag-guide yung audience. Next one is number 4. Technical writing is a communication which is written for and addressed to specific entities or individuals to attain desired objectives. Manalo and Framing 2007. Meaning, of course, si technical writing is dapat may specific na layunin siya and target audience. Halimbawa, yung feasibility ng study is ginagawa siya para sa, for instance, sa investors para mapakita yung viable or ang isang business proposal. So, walang generalized approach dito kasi nga, dahil nakatuon lang siya sa message na isa intended readers lang. Ang ibig sabihin, it caters content based sa goals and need ng specific audience. Next, number 5, technical writing is a practical that people do a part of their jobs. Riordan and Pauli, 1999. Since it is practical, technical writing aims to get work done to change people by changing the way they do things. So, kay Riordan and Pauli naman, ang kanyang perspective or definition is in-emphasize na yung functionality and task completion or yung work-related and practical solutions. So here, practicality yung key sa technical writing. So halimbawa, yung safety guidelines na ginagawa para ma-ensure yung security ng mga gumagamit ng tools. So dapat straightforward lang siya dahil nga ang goal is magawa ng tama yung task. Number 6, technical writing is any written communication that results in a proper documentation of any matter pertaining to various aspects related to one's jobs or business. That is according to Arau 2000. Yes, 2000. So kay Arau, proper documentation is ina-ensure niya yung accuracy and serve as a reliable resource or record. For instance, it is about the listing of details na connected sa trabaho mismo or sa negosyo. For halimbawa, ang minutes of the meeting, naglalaman siya ng mga key points para magkaroon ng reference ang mga attendees sa future plans. Yun, sa kay Arao, ang point lang naman yung proper documentation. Ina-ensure lang yan yung accuracy and serve as yung reliable source na. Then, number 7, technical writing is precise, objective, direct, clearly defined. It lacks emotional impact, avoids the use of rich metaphors and figures of speech. Of course, dapat serious yung pagsusulat ng technical writing. That is according to Finkelstein. Kay Finkelstein, 2010, it focuses relies on facts and avoids personal bias to maintain professionalism. Dapat na-maintain yun professionalism. Dapat focus ito sa data at hindi siya gumagamit ng yung mga emotions natin, like yung mga phrases na tulad ng I feel or it seems like, ganon. Then ang tono is dapat neutral or fact-driven. Parang credible yung dating ng documents. Halimbawa, yung isang lab report, dapat detalyado lamang siya yung results and analysis. Wala siyang unnecessary descriptions. Hindi mo na dapat dadagdagan ng pa-eme-eme, like ganun. Okay, that's the authors who define the technical writing. Okay, now let us proceed to the characteristics of technical writing. We have 6 technical writings characteristics. First, technical writing deals with technical information. Yun, it is designed to deal with technical subjects. So, ang technical writing is dapat focuses on the topics which is technical or specialized, like in science, technology, and business processes. So, sa madaling salita, ang focus lang niya is explain yung technical topics ng maayos. Number 2, technical writing relies heavily on visuals. Equations, photographs, tables, graphs, drawings, or charts, yan yung mga powerful tools sa pagpe-present ng large amount ng information. However, they almost always require interpretation. So, kailangan pa ng interpretation or explanation sa text report. Kailangan illustrations provide the visual support the text needs. Yun, kailangan ng support ng text or explanation para maging to make sense. Okay, another one is number 3. Technical writing uses numerical data to precisely describe quantity and direction. In many cases, mathematical equations and formulas, experimental results, and financial analysis provides the real substance of the report. O yun, we already know na for instance sa mga pagdating sa mga businesses, yung mga pag-invest, so sa mga ratings, it can be gagamit tayo ng numerical data, of course, yung mga percentage like that. Okay, so number 4. Technical writing is accurate and well documented. So the information flows easily and clearly. Unsupported assertions have no place in technical writing. Conclusions, recommendations, and judgments are based on clear presented evidence. So, yan. Sa number 4, accurate siya and well documented. In simple terms, it is facts and evidence make the content clear and trustworthy. Ang information dapat is tama and then details and based sa evidence. Hindi siya pwedeng assumptions lang or yung unsupported claims. Okay, number 5. Technical writing is objective. It emphasizes object reporting with no room for different interpretations. It uses a third-person pronouns as the writer uses a detached approach to his or her subject. Being objective means avoiding the writer's biased opinion. So here in the number 5, walang bias or opinion sa technical writing. Dapat is objective lang siya. Kaya gumagamit ng third-person pronouns para maging professional at neutral yung tono ng report. So sa madaling salita, ang pine-present lang niya yung unbiased facts without the writer's opinion. Number 6, technical writing is grammatically and stylistically correct. Ang tamang grammar here is, or yung writing style is, it shows professionalism ng isang writer. Kapag mali ang grammar, nagiging magulo yung content and nawawala yung credibility nito. In other words, yung proper grammar and style improve the readability and credibility ng isang report. Dapat is correct siya, yung grammatically correct. Okay, we have the 3 primary purposes of technical writing. First, to inform. To inform is to make another person understand or do something. So, paano mo ipapaalam yung isang bagay or isang pangyayari? Like, ang technical writing is ginagamit ang as to inform nga through sa paglikha ng incident report, for instance, which details sa exact na nangyari bago and pagkatapos ng pag-collapse ng bridge, halimbawa nun. So, nakapaloob yung mga specific technical details tulad ng yung structural weaknesses and yung mga ginamit na materials. Ang layunin nito is ipaalam yung mga details, important details doon sa incident. Like yung ano yung nangyari at ano yung naging kondisyon ng tulay bago ito bumagsak. Just like that. Second one is to analyze events and their implications. Example, how certain system failed. So this system may include education, socio-economic, political. Yun, yung halimbawa ko kanina, yung pag-collapse ng isang bridge. So yun, paano siya nag-collapse? So yun, sa pamamagitan ng pagsusulat ng failure analysis report na it investigate kung paano naging sanhi ng pagbagsak ng tulay, kabilang ang poor design, yung material defects o yung human error at yung mga epekto nito sa mga stakeholders. So, ang focus nito is alamin yung root cause ng problem and suriin yung mga effect nito gamit yung analysis para maunawaan kung paano nangyari ang pag-collapse. So, yun yung to analyze events and their implications. The third one is to persuade and influence decisions. So, eto, kung paano mo i-convince yung stakeholders or yung intended reader mo na tanggapin yung recommendations mo, like yung paggamit ng mga matitibay na materials at pagsunod sa mga matataas na quality ng standards para maiwasan yung future failures. Ang like here, ang technical writing is tumutulong siya sa to persuade and influence decisions sa pamamagitan ng pagbuo ng proposal, which is naglalaman ng recommendations para maiwasan yung para hindi na maulit yung kanina na example ko, yung pag-collapse ng bridge. And sa mga next na project is mas magiging maayos na, like another thing is tulad ng paggamit ng mas matibay na mga materials, and then pag-hire ng mga expert para sa mga quality assurance ng isang bridge. So ganun yun dapat. To inform, yun, i-inform mo kung anong nangyari, to analyze events and their implications. So ano na, bakit siya nag-collapse, ganun. And then to persuade, paano mo kumbinsihin yung reader mo, or ano yung mga recommendations mo na para maiwasan yung mga bagay-bagay na or yung phenomena. Okay, let us proceed to the relevance of technical writing. First, it helps people operate, repair or maintain equipment through the user's manuals, guides, and other references materials. So, number one, ang technical writing is nagbibigay siya ng clear instruction or step-by-step instruction para masiguro na tama yung paggamit or pag-ayos ng for instance yung mga tools or mga machines. So napakahalaga nito because of para maiwasan yung mga mistakes or accidents na habang ginagamit yung isang bagay. So for instance, kung may bagong coffee machine, ang manual nito is tutulong sa user para malaman yung mga tamang process ng pag-setup at paggamit ng machine nang hindi nasisira. So in short, ang number one is, ang technical writing is dapat nagbibigay siya ng malinaw na gabay para maayos at ligtas gamitin yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay, number two, it makes people understand the principles or phenomena behind complex technologies such as nuclear reactors, greenhouse effect, acid rain, or earthquakes. So, ito is natural phenomena na ito yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. So, technical writing naman is para mas gawing simple yung isang bagay, siya yung nakaka-help para mas maintindihan yung mahirap. So, kahit na complex yung isang topic, is nagiging mas madaling intindihin nga ito dahil sa paggamit ng simple terms or yung visuals para ma-clarify yung meaning. Halimbawa is yung scientific document tungkol sa solar panels. So, nagpapaliwanag kung paano ito nagko-convert ng sunlight sa electricity sa simple at step-by-step na paraan. Or like for instance, sa pagdating ng lindol, yung hindi natin mga inaasahan. So, of course, we have the earthquake drill, right? So, ganon. Or number three, we have it makes people share their new technical ideas with others, such as proposing new products and introducing new ways of understanding things. Yun, dapat maging innovative yung solutions here. Kapag may, for instance, is kapag may bagong mobile app or na-develop, like ginagamit yung proposal para ipakita kung paano ito makakatulong sa pag-simplify ng operations. Meaning to say, ang technical writing here is it helps us, it explains ng bagong ideas or products nang hindi nang malinaw para makuha yung support ng iba. Like, gumagamit ito ng data at organized na structure para ipaliwanag yung details ng isang product or concept na kailangang maintindihan ng target audience. Yun lang yun. Okay, number 4, it provides records or events that have specific or technical significance. So, here, ang technical writing is ang paraan para ma-list yung mga important data or findings na magagamit bilang reference. Ang tamang documentation is very important nga kasi nga para ma-review yung at magamit ulit yung mga information sa mga future projects. Ganon. Halimbawa is yung laboratory report. Yun yung naglalaman ng eksaktong mga result ng isang experiment para sa susunod na research projects. So, meaning to say, the technical writing, the relevant of it here is it helps sa paglilist ng mga important information para magamit sa hinaharap or in the future. Number 5, it makes people present new technical information or potential benefits to individuals and to communicate. In number 5, ang technical writing is ginagamit siya para i-highlight yung mga advantages ng isang product or ng project. So, gumagamit ito ng structured na data, yung precise na information, para ipakita kung bakit beneficial ang isang bagay sa isang audience or stakeholders. So, ano yung potential benefits? Ano yung maibe-benefit niya doon sa sinulatan mo? So, halimbawa here is sa isang business proposal. So, ginagamit ang technical writing para ipakita yung mga projected revenue growth upang ipaliwanag sa investors ang potential ng investments. So, ayun, you can persuade through that. So, ipinapakita nito ang mga benefits ng products or ng projects para mas madaling maintindihan at tanggapin ng audience. Ganun lang yun. Okay, so that's all and thank you.